Woodpecker's new auto-line drill guide goes where a drill press can't and keeps your bit perpendicular to your work. The standard hex shank fitting mates to any cordless or corded drill in seconds. Even faster for quick change adapters. Tight tolerance bearings and a 1/2-inch geared chuck deliver minimal runout. The chuck carrier rides on Teflon bushings, following polished stainless steel columns. Notice the taper machined in the column. That's where you lock the depth stop. With minimal clamping force on the stop knob, the taper prevents the stop from slipping, no matter how many times you bang into it. First, there are laser engraved guides in the base. Line them up with your witness marks, and your bit is perfectly centered. Next, we included a versatile fence system. The fence guide rods mount to any edge of the base. You can slide it under the base to work close to an edge. You can turn it around to obtain maximum distance. You can flip it on edge to have a wider base, or you can put the thin edge down and create an outrigger for additional support. When you need a hole centered on your stock, remove the centering pins from their storage position, thread them into the bottom of the base. Now hold one pin tight to each side of your board, and your bit is right on center. The hole in the base allows for drills up to 1 inch. When you need to drill larger holes, just remove the column caps, turn the chuck carrier around, and now you can use up to 2-inch Forstner bits. We even machined a V into the base to help you drill round material. Woodpecker's Auto Line Drill Guide. Precision drilling wherever you need it. Order yours today.